Hello everyone, my name is Larry. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, consider subscribe. Today I'll show you how to cook fish sauce glazed chicken wings. First you need 5 whole wings and separate drums, flat and tips. Marinate with a little touch of salt. Mix it up and put it on the side. Next ingredient, I'll have 1 whole jalapeno, 3 garlic pills. For salads, I use romaine lettuce and chop it up like Caesar salads. For dressing, I use 2 teaspoons of vinegar, a little white peppers. Mix that ingredient up. Next ingredient, I use 1 tomatoes and set on the plate with the salads that you just mixed before you start cooking the chicken. Make sure your oil temperature is at 250 degrees before you drop all the chicken wings in. And start mixing around. Make sure the chicken doesn't stick at the bottom. After 6 to 7 minutes, you'll see your chicken turning golden yellow and it's look crispy. Pick it up and let it rest on the side, and let's start to make the sauce. Beautiful. I use low heat to not burn the sugar while I'm cooking the sauce. Add garlic, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, chopped jalapeno, and 1 teaspoon of butter. Before you drop all the chicken in, make sure all the sugar are melt. After you drop all the chicken, start to shaking to let all the glaze cover with the sauce. For finish, I use high heat for 30 seconds before I turn off all the heat. Now set everything on the plate and stack all the wings on top of each other so it looks nice. And remember to not waste all the garlic and jalapeno that come with the flavor. Last but not least, sprinkle some peppers on top of it, and that is how you do fish sauce glazed chicken wing at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, consider subscribing my channel, and I'll see you next time.